Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download Canon PIXMA MG3620 driver. So search any browser, open any browser and search it is same in the Google search box. To first click to new tab, Canon website. Then click to software and drivers. Then close it. Windows and operating system Windows 11. Scroll down and this is full driver and software pack and click to download. Then guys again click or single click to launch, then run. Install. So guys wait for few minutes. It is depend about your hardware configurations. Okay, and then select your languages and countries, then click to next. Yes, accept the agreement. Then guys again next. So there are two options to one of the wireless LAN connection, one of the USB. So guys firstly connect to USB and then install this one. So connect the printer with your desktop laptop by USB. Okay, select this one, then next. Okay, now this is downloading. Okay, thank you.